I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by updating Netflix and your phone OS because subtitle bugs often come from version mismatches. Once updated, restart the device to clear transient errors and close other apps so playback has resources. Next, open Netflix and load any episode. This forces the app to refresh subtitle assets. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a strong mobile signal, since corrupted or partial subtitle downloads happen on weak networks. Now, move directly to the app subtitle controls. You tap the playback screen, pick subtitles and audio, and explicitly choose the correct subtitle track. This reassigns the file Netflix delivers. Once done, try toggling to another language track and then back. This reloads subtitle assets. If Netflix provides subtitle appearance, reset it to default first to eliminate bad styling. Then, if you need larger text or a different font, change it now. These steps fix mismatched timing and styling by forcing the app to request a fresh subtitle file. If subtitles remain wrong, clear Netflix cache on Android or offload the app on iOS to remove corrupted subtitle files, then reopen the app and test playback. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall Netflix. This resets all local data and forces a full redownload of subtitle assets. After reinstalling, sign in, pick the same show, and verify subtitles. One key troubleshooting tip: if only one show is affected, delete its download. Corrupted offline subtitle files are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.